अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मतलब बात की कंप्लेन करते हैं कि हमारा प्री बिल्ट नीश फीचर when used to create videos results in similar camera angles, similar stories and the exact same story patterns, character patterns, everything is identical. So we've identified this problem and understood why it was happening. We now have about 100 templates and we fixed all of them. Now when you go to generate, you'll see that the same camera angle, the same opening styles and the same types of characters and story patterns won't be there. Videos will be generated in a completely unique style. So to do this, or rather how you'll use it, is a very simple process. For the pre-built niche you want to use, what you'll do is just click on the example and copy all of these example titles. After copying, we've provided a new AI chat right here. Go to this AI chat and tell it, please give me unique titles based on this title pattern. Or you can say it in Bengali or your own. Just select your provider and model from here. Once selected, you'll just write here, please give me or give me unique titles based on this pattern. Then you'll see that it has given you many unique titles based on this pattern. It has given many unique titles and you should remember that the titles shouldn't follow the... For example, it has divided them into creature A versus creature B fight. Or here, your savior pattern. It has given some titles with hero and threat type patterns. After that, it has given some completion type titles and some wildcard type titles. It will give you similar based on your niche. If you provide examples, it will, so you can give them here or you can also give them to ChatGPT or Gemini if you want. After giving them, save the titles. After saving the titles, what you'll do is, if you want to make a video with the title you liked here, you'll click on pre-built and then just click on your niche. After clicking, paste the title here. Similarly, you pasted it to understand your projects. After that, you can increase or decrease the number of scenes as you like, or if you want 6 seconds here, you'll use that to generate a scene, whether it's 10 seconds or after generating the scene, you might generate 2, 3 or 4 scenes for your niche. Then you'll go to the project manager and images for all of them. If you generate images, you'll easily understand. Before generating the video, after generating the image, you'll see that the images, for example, here I have this one and then this one and this one. These three are from the same niche. But if you look at the images, you'll see they're completely different. Look, this is a fight between Venom and King Kong. So the fight between Venom and King Kong is completely... Then if you look at this one, this is a fight between a shark and King Kong. This is in the ocean, you understand? But the problem with the previous pre-built niche was that all of them would show King Kong and a shark all underwater, meaning the AI didn't understand the pattern or it didn't understand the semantic generation of the title. It would give the same type of everything, but we have now completely fixed this system. You can now create unique videos and unique scenes, and unique images will lead to unique videos. So you'll compare them this way. After generating the images, you'll see if the images of your 2 or 3 scenes projects are the same. If they are, please notify us, but I hope they won't. If the title is different, your videos or scenes will definitely be different. That is, if you want to make a rescue type video, you might rescue a tiger and its cub. In that case, a tiger and its cub will appear. If you go to rescue an elephant or an elephant's, if you go to rescue a snake, meaning it won't be the same as before anymore. So this way, you can easily make unique videos with unique titles using pre-built niches. And there are many niches in the pre-built niche. You can start by making videos for any niche, or if you need a specific niche, we will try to add it. But please don't give us a niche that is actually... So after you give us a niche, we will tell you which ones are possible and which are not. If it's possible, we will definitely add your niche to the pre-built niches. You can start working with that. Or if you have any other problems, please contact us on our support chat, or you can also contact us on live chat. You can knock on support chat, no problem. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.